So Black History Month is about celebrating our identity, and our hair has always been a powerful part of that story. Today we're exploring how natural hair care has evolved and how we can better protect it. With me now is co-founder and head beauty therapist of Properly Guided Natural Hair Care and Beauty Salon. A big name that. Good morning, my friend. How are you?
Hi, good morning.
Welcome
I'm
to
fine.
Smile.
Thank you.
Big name that, man. Where that name come from, please?
Well, it was actually a vision, and I got a vision, and the vision that came was Properly Guided. But I didn't understand, like, what was this vision, but the Holy Spirit later allowed me to understand it's Properly Guided Natural Hair Care and Beauty Salon.
Okay.
So that's how it come about.
So we have made changes over the years? Because as an old man, me did have afro, it was like a pick, me did have a
We've made a lot of changes over the years, because before, when we didn't know proper detangling. Now we know how to cater for the hair. We didn't know the different hair types. I know that natural hair have type 1, type 1A, 1B, 1C, 4C, 4B, 4A. So they have formulated products now to allow us to understand how to cater for the natural hair, so persons can know, allow it to be more manageable.
So how you know about this 1C and 4D and all? That's all like a classroom or something.
Well, with further understanding of the hair, being around different types of hair type, and the knowledges that they have out there, we now get to understand that based on the amount of curl definition that is in there, because it goes wavy, and then it's more coily going straight down. So with that understanding, now we know how to basically do the proper detangling and the maintenance.
And we still talk foolishness about body hair and stuff.
Yeah, we need to remove from all of that.
It's just
it's a part of you, it's who you are. So if you're calling yourself bad, then that speaks volume to how your identity is.
So I suspect, and in a serious way, that how you would treat my hair would be different than how you treat yours.
Exactly, because now where treatments is concerned, understanding when the hair needs moisture, when the hair needs protein, and moisture and protein will have various levels. So we have level 1, level 2, level 3. Dependent on how damaged the hair is, that's how we basically go in and target the hair.
Yep. So we have some different types of hair. We're not going to go across just yet, but can you sit there and look at my hair, and I'm being serious, and tell me whether I need this or I need that, or it would be...
Well, can I touch the hair?
You can do anything you want. No, I'll come to you.
Okay.
No, but answer that question first. So could you just look at it and tell me?
I can just look at your hair and know what type of hair you have.
And what I need?
And definitely what you need.
Well, tell me, without touching it.
Oh, without touching your hair? Well, your hair has sheen on it now, so I definitely need to touch it because they have sheen it. See, here's a 4B texture. It's very soft.
That's good or bad? That's
very good. It's just where you fall in the hair type bracket.
So what kind of texture have?
You have a 4B texture. So if they carry up back the screen, see it, it's on the screen, that's how your texture is. It's yes, that's your texture.
So mine is a little twirly one.
Yes, that is your texture.
All right, so how would you treat my hair?
All right, it depends on what your hair lacks. Because at the end of the day, even though we're seeing the type, at the end of the day, it's how it feels. Like, say you're having a lot of breakage. That means that I need to do some protein. Say your hair is very coarse. Then I have to maybe go in with a little moisture.
But you couldn't just look at it. You would have to...
I have to touch it and ask specific questions like, what are the issues then that you have been having with your hair? So when you tell me issues, then I can basically go in and target the hair and choose and say you have eczema. We do have treatments for eczema because a lot of Jamaicans suffer with eczema. So we have a medicated treatment where we'll go in and detox the hair. So we can detox the scalp or we can detox the hair. And then after that, we do like a medicated treatment. That the medicated treatment is more formulated to target any form of bacteria that you have on the scalp.
Yep. Women's hair and men's hair, because I always hear that they're losing the ends and all kind of stuff. Is the same thing happen to men?
It's the same thing. It's how it's been treated. It's the same thing. And normally for men, from your parents always cut the hair. It's like you're allowing your hair to go into this particular routine.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So if we don't target that with the protein, then that's the issues the men will continue to have.
Come with me.
Sure.
Yeah, I don't want you to turn your back so people can see what I'm going on.
Okay.
And explain the different Yeah, so go from this side. Yeah, go from here. So explain the different areas here. Maybe we kind of go on the inside. Yeah.
Okay, sure. So now we have Jamar.
Come this side, yeah.
Now we have Jamar. He's sporting his locks. So Jamar suffers with eczema. So what we had to do was to do a detox. And when we detox the hair and then we detox the scalp, we gave him a medicated shampoo. And then we do palm roll and then style it. But you have different types of way how you can do the locks. We have interlocking and know when to interlock the hair. So he likes palm roll, but if it goes to...
He likes what?
He likes to do palm rolling. So it's a particular technique. So this is palm rolling.
Okay.
It's much neater, right? And it's more preferred because a lot of persons don't like the needle.
So what about the eczema now?
No, for the eczema, no, we are going to continue to treat for the eczema because he's still eating milk and he's not drinking milk and cheese.
Yo,
so.
man, tell me about this bossy hairstyle. Good morning.
Good morning.
So this is a Karoba braids. It's a...
Is that what kind of braid?
Karoba.
Karoba.
Yes. So this style was basically... I saw it on Pinterest and I said, this might be nice and unique to do. So we were trying it and see how, you know, persons wear their hair back in the days, and I realized this is a style. So it's like a little pin curl type of look.
Beautiful.
Yes. So we did that to enhance a different type of styling. She can use this for a photo shoot, like persons who like the whole photo shoot conditions, they can use this as an inspiration.
This is a very black hair.
Yes. Yes, it is.
It dye or not?
No, man. So this is braids, actually. So we braided it.
Okay, beautiful. I like this.
All right.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So this is Khadija. She's sporting in a bridal style. It can also be worn as a formal style. Her hair is actually 4C texture, right? So we're trying to allow persons to know that you have different methods where you can do your natural hair. It doesn't have to go to, okay, I have to process my hair to get a nice formal look. Your natural hair can go as we
Okay,
as
so
we
when you
see
say
it.
bridal style, so my man, he man not a bride, he man not a groom.
Well, his style can wear as a groom style, actually.
Oh,
so it's very nice.
Go ahead, we don't have to move, but explain this one.
Okay.
Good morning.
So this is Lisan. So her hair texture is a 4A texture. And we did a flat twist and a finger coil. So based on the fact that young persons are now embracing the natural hair, we're trying to allow persons to know it's nice to, based on the different curling techniques that we have, she can wear her hair out.
Okay.
Right? But we still need to know when we're going to treat her hair. So it's not a style that I say you need to do consistent. Because if you do it consistent, then you start having breakage.
Yeah. So all of these would be treated differently.
All of these will be treated differently.
That can go in my ear, the braid, the dreadlock thing can go in my ear.
Well, we'll have to kind of grow it up a little bit more. Then we can do, and have to check if the hair is ready to be do a lock service. Because if it's not ready, we can't lock it. We're going to have like tractions and stuff like that.
Please. But me not understand, you say me hair not ready. So what I mean by me hair not ready?
Because have you been treating your hair? When was your last treatment for your hair? Because men need treatment too, you know. When was your last treatment?
What you mean by treatment? Because I shampoo me hair like every 2
What type of shampoo do you use?
I did have, what them call it, something?
What?
You don't call it, what is something?
VO5?
No, man. I can't, I'm not going to say the name, but I had dandruff.
Oh, so they gave it...
I use one that, I don't have dandruff no more.
Oh, you don't have it anymore?
No, but I don't want, I'm not going to give them, no. Yeah.
You may need to do some moisture and stuff like that and see if we can...
Do that how?
Will you just come to ProperlyGuided Natural Hair Care and Beauty Salon and let me cater for your hair? Right?
I don't have no problem with that.
And I have no problem to accept you.
So now me have a little hole in my back here. You can work out that.
So right now, in my first year at university, and the vision is to create products for natural hair. So, you know, when you go out there, you see various different products, and they say that it's for natural hair, and they say like a castor shampoo or stuff, but how many of it is actually natural?
Okay.
And based on what we're trying to do, we're trying to basically heal persons who have like traction alopecia, have scalp issues. So when I am able to formulate those products, it's better for me to fix the problem. And I realize our country does have a deficit when it comes on to proper hair care.
So you only deal with natural hair?
I only deal with natural hair. So we don't alter the hair. Anything has to alter the natural hair, we don't do. That's not the ministry.
Okay. I was going to ask you about Clive, but Him not know you're at all, whether natural or not.
Clive, and that's why I'm going to school, just for you. Just
For
for
what?
you.
For game here?
Of course.
No, sir.
We're going to fix all of that. Yes.
Are we going to give?
No, we don't need to go
That
to
can
the-
grow.
No, of course. From you have hair here, you can have hair here, okay? Don't insult Clive. Don't insult him.
Don't insult, right?
Yeah. I remember you have the...
Yeah, but me not see that enough. Him see female third which is that way. No, see it there. No.
You see, we're going to fix all of that.
You can fix it.
We're going to fix all of that.
Me not no issue with it, because me not see it.
And that's good. How many other person have an issue with it? As in females do, they have an issue when it comes down to their own identity.
Yeah.
Low self-esteem and stuff like that,
Yeah.
seeing no hair.
Oprah,
Yes.
I am very impressed.
Thank you.
You know your stuff, obviously. I'm very, very impressed.
Thank you.
How are you found?
All right, so I'm found at 36 Burlington Avenue in Burlington Business Center, that's shop number 12, right? And our phone number is 876-375-4886.
Burlington. That is off Eastwood Park.
Yeah, right beside Half a Tree Primary
Yeah,
in
man.
Burlington Business
That is
Center.
right. My friend have a business in there, a pasta.
Real? Oh, yeah, she's
As
there.
is, yeah.
Yes.
I'm impressed. I'm really impressed.
Thank you so much.
Brother, I like it.
Yes.
So, more you give me that, I may give the bush. And you give me. Yeah, she's a co-founder. She's the head beauty therapist of Properly Guided Natural Hair Care and Beauty Salon, Oprah Winfrey.
William.
I told her I was going to do that. All right, coming up, personal journeys in self-expression. We'll soon come. Stay with us, please. Don't.
That lives within.
What she do to her hair? Oh no, it look crazy. I like it. I might do that.